Alright, welcome to section 3 in Photoshop layer styles. In this video we're going to talk about blending options. So let's go to Photoshop, create a new document. We're going to grab the default Photoshop size document, hit create, and I'm going to go File, Save As, and we're going to save this as layer styles. I'm going to hit save. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to add the color. I'm going to go to the default black here. I'm going to grab the paint bucket and I'm going to paint the canvas. Then we're going to come over here and we're going to click on, I'm going to unlock the layer. I'm going to click on the FX icon here and we're going to look at blending options. Okay, so you have bevel and emboss, contour, texture, stroke, inner shadow, inner glow, satin, color overlay, gradient overlay, pattern overlay, outer glow, and drop shadow. So I'll see you in the next video where we're going to talk about bevel and emboss. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.